Hello friends. So today what I want to share is an interesting feature of SQL Server. Uh, First, let's discuss how we get the informations whenever there is an error happening in our SQL Server systems. SQL Server runs various jobs like SSIS packages or replication jobs, and once any error happens, it's really important that we come to know in time so that we can actually troubleshoot the issue as soon as possible. To do so, the most important and industry-wide way of knowing it is via mail. That is, a mail pops up on our smartphones or our laptops, where we get the message that XYZ job is down, and this is the issue because of which it is down. The mail Once we have the mail configured for the job, it's helpful as a DBA for me to understand that this job is gone down and I need to look into it ASAP. So what I want to share today is configuring the database mail option, which is provided by the SQL Server. So once this is configured, first step will be configure this. Secondly, what I will share is how we can use the setup database mail option in one of the SQL jobs to get notified whenever a job completes successfully or an error happens. We'll do that. So first, let me configure my database mail. So this is the default window that knobs, and I'll start configuring my so the first step is to configure a profile. So, and the next is to configure an account and associate to the profile. We can have multiple accounts. So let me just create a profile first of admin profile. And we will add SMTP accounts to this profile. So let's add one. I'll create a new account. The account name, let me keep admin account, and the email address, I for this demo session, let me configure it to my Gmail account. So you will have your organization's SMTP which can be used. So I am just configuring it to my personal mail ID. This is your SMTP server name. So you need to know the SMTP server name and the port by which you will be configuring. So since I'm using the Google free SMTP server, so I'm providing the SMTP of Gmail, and the port number is 587. The next is you can use the SSL for encrypting your messages that you are sending. So I'll be using that. Next is to create an authentication. So we are done with configuring an account. So we have configured an account and added it to a profile, admin profile. So we are almost, yes, this window I will like to show what are the different options. Like, you can prohibit certain file extensions to be associated, to be attached to the mail while being sent. You can do that. You can restrict the sizes, you can restrict the delays in the second attempts, and number of retries to be taken place. You want the retry to be taken place 10 times, you say 10. So that's how you can configure these options, and we are done. So yes, we have configured an account. So and so that is done. Now we'll try and test. We'll send a test email. We'll use admin profile and send it to my Hotmail MSN account. So we have sent a test email to check. Let's just check our Hotmail. Yes, as you can see, we received an email ID. Sorry, an email. This is the mail that we received from, and if you go in my Gmail account and check for the sent mail, you'll find that there is a mail sent. Yes, you can see that there is a mail sent. The details, as you can see, that the mails was from and the to. So that's how we have configured this successfully. Next, what we do is how we can also for checking if the mail details, you can check it in the MSDB of your server. You will find entries for every mail that is being sent, and for the status of the mail, you can check in this mail items table. The status for all delivered mail will be 1. So that is the way you can check. And for all the failed, sent and unsent items, you will find entries in these tables. So let me run through all these. Yeah, we are finding there is no entry in failed and unsent items. We have one item that is being sent. This for sent items table will have entry, and there will be the complete message that we have sent will be logged in here. You can see the complete message that is there in this table, and we have the other details. So you'll have complete details in this. Next, what I want to show you is how I can use this for any of my jobs, I mean notifications. So first, for that to be done, what I do is I open my SQL Server agent, properties, and in the alert system I'll have to enable the profile. So you'll find the database email and the profile. So I have few profiles. I'll be using admin profile, and you say OK. You have, once this is done, please restart your SQL Server agent. Once this is restarted, what we will do is we will set up an operator which will use this database mail facility. So this is step 1. The next step is to create an operator. What I do is I create a new operator with the name admin operator, and this operator sends mail from my database mail account, configured account, to my Hotmail account. I mean, this is the destination, right? This is done. So we have created an operator. Next, I have a few jobs. I have this job parent 2, which is nothing but it is running an SSIS package. So I can use this job for the demo session. What I want to do, I'll just show you. This is actually simply running an SSIS package. So as you can see, this is running an SSIS package from server. This is the package that it is running. So I wanted to show you that. And so for this package, what I want to do is I want to notify. So I'll use the operator that we just configured and get notified, admin operator, and we will say we want to get notified when the job succeeds, or rather we'll say when the job completes. So we'll do this. What we have, again, let me repeat, we have created an operator, admin operator, and next in this SQL job parent 2, we are trying to configure an of this the operator and get notified once this job completes. So we have done this and we say OK. The next is I'll run this job. Okay, the job is succeeded. So let's just go and check if we getting notified or not. Yep, we are. So we got a message from SQL Server Job system saying parent to job completed on the server. This is the server name. We can, each of these things can be customized. So for now we are simply I just showed you. So the job duration, it is giving you all the details when the job completed, what job it invokes. So it's really wonderful. If you can see the sent mail, you will have the database mail has sent this, right? So again we have this. So this message is again sent from my Gmail account to my Hotmail account. This is the message that was sent. So that was what I wanted to really share it. It will be really helpful for getting notified and time. And again, if I see all of these tables about the mails that went across, you will find entries in each of these. That each of these tables, unsent and failed items will not have any entries in them, right? They are not there. So the next few tables which are important for you are these. You will have entries in each of them. So that was about this session, friends. I hope this session is really helpful to you and getting to know how you can get notified for any of the problems occurring. So one last thing what I want to say is you can create SQL's alerts to happen. So for each of the alerts, again you can create a notification. Say my this replication agent fails, I want to create a notification. I go to properties, and in the response section I can notify operators. I can use this admin operator again and get notified. So whenever this fails, so that is again a way for each of the alerts. So for alerts, for jobs, for each of these things we can get notified whenever there is a problem or an issue. So thanks a lot, friends. Thank you.